So guys, I'm about to handcuff them. Let's go and do it. Alright guys, they're handcuffed. So guys, I handcuffed them and I'm so excited. Hey guys, I'm Kalani and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're the team. Today we're the team of Hearts. And so we're the big place and they're handcuffed. How do you guys like being handcuffed?
No. I would get you back into your boyfriend.
Oh, no, you not. We're going to this for huh? Anyways, guys, so we're like in a big place. All right. There they are, handcuffed. So, guys, right now, what I'm gonna do, I have to do her hair now. So
I can hold it.
Here, try to hold the camera. Okay.
She's handcuffed, guys.
Okay, she handcuffed us, so I'm gonna handcuff her and her boyfriend.
Yeah, you like being handcuffed?
And she lost the key. Eat it. I'm gonna eat it here. Eat it.
Pero ella canta bien bonito, yo la grabé a ella.
I like it like that.
Cantando. ¿Y tú cuándo vas a cantar? Ponga.
Do it again, girl. Do it again. Okay, guys. All right. I'm gonna do her hair again because she doesn't know how to do it.
You spill it, you clean it.
My God, oh, Chachi. Look at what she's doing. She's eating breakfast. I already ate my breakfast.
Yeah, because
This, I just dropped the GoPro. I got all of this. You do it, guys. Eat. If you see our TikTok videos, they're or Snapchat. Cool. If you hear guys talking about Snapchat that aren't on, and we have Snapchat and Roblox. My Roblox is Princess Girl 1611. Hers are Kalani TT. Yup, Kalani TT. Go ahead. And we make videos of Roblox and gaming. And we're gonna be making a new video. I already made a new video. And get my channel. You should. We post videos Tuesdays, Thursdays, and sometimes Fridays and Sundays. And subscribe to my channel, Danlise Lopez. Yep. Danlise Space Lopez. Dora's gonna have a YouTube channel soon. So when she grows up. Yep, when she grows up and when she gets a better phone. Because she's only 5. Her name for her YouTube channel is gonna be Deborah Space Galarza. Put that down. Deborah Space Galarza. Oh my. Sora. Okay, that's it. So guys. So look at them. They're over here. Just say hi, guys. I know you guys are mad, but Dora. She has to go to my high school. Yeah, come on, guys. Let's go to high school.
She has to go. She's only 5 years old. I'm 17.
All right. So guys, a little girl has to go to my. I'm gonna call. Okay, here. Hold the phone, and I'm gonna call them that. Hold on, Dora. That you're not gonna go to school today. Yeah, because I'm handcuffed from a girl. Oh my God. She isn't feeling well. And she got a rash off her body, her back, her legs, and stuff like that. So, yeah, she won't be able to go to school. Oh, yeah. Goodbye. I subscribe to her channel. So I pretend that she had a rash, so they act like, why isn't she going? So I just told her why. So now I'm about to call Deborah's teacher and tell her that she's not coming to school today. Yes. Deborah Galarza's sister. Mom. Let's escape. She won't be coming to school. She's feeling well. And she's having a cough, sneezes, and she won't be. You're welcome.
I kind of ready for a boyfriend.
You guys are going to school tomorrow. I meant today. Yeah, guys. Since today's Monday, they're supposed to be having their day off today since it's election day. But I guess they canceled their election day.
And can you do my hair?
And yeah. Oh yeah.
It's just to do
How
my
are you feeling? How are you feeling that you're handcuffed? You don't like it? You're good.
I'm gonna get her back.
Should we guys go walking to CVS and get some AirPods?
No. Okay, then do my hair, girl.
Okay.
You have to do half of it.
I'm on my phone. Oh yeah. Let me double that. Tell them what teacher do you have in Benjamin Franklin?
Mrs. Valentine.
Miss Valentine. Who do you have?
Where?
In John Berry.
Miss Boydsworth.
I meant in Platt High School. I keep because I meant Platt High School because
My
were in-
teacher is
you were in,
Miss Valentine.
Valentine?
Mr. Valentine.
oh, Mr. Valentine. Okay.
There, because she has a
So she's in Platt
yeah.
High School. Guys, we have a big house. We really do. The biggest house in the world.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Come on. Your handcuffs. Anyways, so you guys are gonna stay here and tell them I'm gonna go to CVS.
Yeah, she's gonna go to CVS. But you have to eat. Eat fast. Huh? So, Kalani, your daddy texts you. Her daddy texts you. She said, come on. She said, hi, baby. Yeah, that's her dad. I'm 17 years old. Sister, can you hold this camera? Sister, hold this. Hold the camera. How do you do my hair? So she's doing her hair. Can you do my hair again?
I'll get the phone. Where is oh.
Get your coat. Get our coats.
All right. So they're gonna put their coats on and stuff. They're still handcuffed. So go ahead over there. Oh my God, they're about to fall, guys.
Tie my hair.
They're handcuffed.
I love
You guys want to go downstairs?
it. No, we can't. Tie my hair.
No.
I heard it.
She dropped my phone. She can't hold the camera.
No, I can't. Because I was doing
Anyways,
do my hair.
I am.
Hey,
So
that's
don't on
mine.
the camera.
No, it's
So
not.
don't
It's
on the
mine.
camera. No, it's not.
Ew. That's our grandpa. Let go.
Alright, give me the camera. So, there they are. Oh my gosh, you guys didn't sound for. Alright, give me the soda. We're doing a YouTube video. Nice. So, guys, I went to CVS today, and I
I know
got
what mom plus
some
one.
candy from. I got M&M's and Skittles.
I know what's 1 plus 1.
The mosquitoes. What's 1 plus 1?
2.
Good.
What's 2 plus
2
2?
plus 2?
Ooh, not 4.
Yes.
4.
What's 3 plus 3?
6.
What's 4 plus 4?
Yeah. 8.
What?
8 plus 8.
8. No, what's 5 plus 5?
10.
What's 6 plus 6?
12.
What's 7 plus 7?
13. 14.
What's 8 plus 8?
16.
What's 9 plus 9?
18.
What's 10 plus 10?
20.
Good job. Alright, guys. I want some soda.
Vegetarian today. I don't want it. Is it veggies?
Anyways, So, yeah. So guys, I think we're gonna end the video here.
We're gonna go
So
somewhere.
when they're done eating and drinking, we're gonna go downstairs.
In the park?
No.
Pretend it's downstairs.
Oh, downstairs outside. So we could try to find the key because I hid it somewhere outside, so we can find the key while they're handcuffed. So.
Wait.
Oh yeah, I don't eat meat. I am a vegetarian.
I'm not done.
Come on, drink. Do you want me to help you drink it? This one? You done? No, wait. Alright, we're gonna go downstairs now. Throw that out. So,
What's happening?
yeah, guys.
Handcuffs.
Yep. Anyways, so guys, let me throw this away from you.
That goes in the cup.
I know.
Yeah, in the trash.
I know. Anyways, guys, we're gonna go downstairs now. Let's go, guys. We're gonna go downstairs.
You got my phone?
Yep, I got your phone.
No, my phone.
Yeah, I got it.
I found the key.
No, we didn't
I
find
can't
the.
do it. I found the key.
Stop. No, we didn't find the key yet. It's outside.
Outside. This is outside. Okay.
No, it's not outside, Ali.
Ooh, I already have our coats.
Your coats.
No. Pretend this is Pretend 1 hour later.
Alright, guys, we're gonna do 1 hour later, so bye.
I found the key.
Where is it?
Right here.
Alright.
Yes.
So, guys, they found the key and they're alive. Yes! So, we're gonna go upstairs now.
Give it to your mom. Give it.
So, we're gonna go upstairs now and we're gonna get their coats, their phone, and stuff like that. So we're gonna end the video here. Please like and subscribe to the Team of Hearts and Black Heart. See you guys later.
You have to tell what colors are hearts.
So black, red, pink. These are the rainbow hearts. Anyways, we'll see you guys later. Bye.